So, y'all know I posted about walnuts yesterday. So today I have something that I made, 3 ingredients. It's like I make energy balls. Energy balls, so I have recipe about energy balls. I do have a book, Taste Tools Tip. If you don't have it, get it. It's energy ball recipe in there. But energy balls are really great. So I decided I have walnuts. Now what's the creative way I can do with this? 3 ingredients, honey, or you use maple syrup, peanut butter, and grind up walnuts in my NutriBullet. This is what it is, and all my kids like it. And I have a child that's kind of picky. And he was like, Mom, this is good. Now, he would not eat walnuts. Well, probably none of my kids would probably eat walnuts like that. But knowing that it's in this, a little treat, they eat it. And some don't even know what's in it. So this is a little treat right here. Peanut butter, honey, or you use maple syrup, and grind up walnuts. Have the snack. Try it. Be creative.